In this video, I will show you how to fix the Invalid Gaming Services Detected error in Forza Horizon 6 on PC. This error usually appears with the message, Forza Horizon 6 must be run with the latest version of gaming services. Step 1. Update Gaming Services and Xbox app. Open Microsoft Store and go to the Library or Download section. Click on Get Updates and install all available updates, especially gaming services and the Xbox app. Once the updates are installed, restart your PC and try launching the game again. Step 2. Run Gaming Services Repair Tool. Open the Xbox app, click on your profile icon, then go to Support. Run the Gaming Services Repair Tool and click on Start Repairing. Wait for the repair process to complete, then restart your computer. Step 3. Install Xbox Identity Provider. Make sure Xbox Identity Provider is installed from Microsoft Store. You can also install gaming services and Xbox Identity Provider directly from the official Microsoft link provided in the description. Step 4. Reinstall gaming services. If the error still appears, reinstall gaming services completely. Open PowerShell as administrator and run this command to uninstall gaming services. Get-appxpackage Microsoft.GamingServices remove-AppxPackage, allusers. After that, run the following command to open Microsoft Store and reinstall gaming services. Start MS Windows Store, // pdp/ productid equals 9mwpm2cqnlhn. Install gaming services and Xbox Identity Provider, then restart your PC. Now launch Forza Horizon 6 again, and the error should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more PC gaming fixes and tutorials.
Gave him a strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes.